What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys a little project that we're working on. We're going to be converting a garage into a room. So this is a very easy project that anybody can do at home. It's very, very simple. I'm going to show you guys a quick time lapse of all the works that's being carried out here. And I'm also going to have a few in-depth videos on some of the processes involved. So first things first, we've got a brick wall on the back here, brick wall on the side, and we've also got a window. So what we have to do is we're going to be framing up the inside of this brick wall. We're going to be insulating it, put up our plasterboard. Over here we're going to have to frame up around the window as well. Still haven't decided whether to plaster the edges or to put in some timber reveals. But what's interesting is we've got a garage door over here, which is very common. What we're going to do is we're going to put a separating wall on this side. So we're going to install a wall up here on the wall, and that's going to separate the space from the garage to the actual bedroom that we're converting. We're also tiling the floor here. So usually what I do is I'd plaster up the walls first and then tile after, but in this case here we're going to have to tile first and then plaster up. We're just trying to juggle some work around. So let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so the tiling has now been completed. We're going to leave the grouting for a couple of days. What we're going to do is we're going to put some drop sheets over the tiles and we're going to start filling in all these cavities here. So all this section here where it's indented in on the brick wall, we're going to frame this all up and put some insulation in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to have some timber on the sides, up on top, down the bottom, and we're going to have our stud running through as well. What we're going to be doing is we're going to drill through the timber, through the brick, and then we're going to use some anchor screws and we're going to mount that timber onto the brick. Once we've done that, we can get started with our sheeting. What we're going to do here is we have to also frame around this window. Still haven't decided whether or not we're going to do timber reveals or if we're going to just plaster this whole section here in. So we'll see how we go once we get started with our sheeting, and we'll go from there. So let's get started. So once the wall's been patched and sanded, we're now ready for our first coat of paint. So this is the finished product, guys. What used to be a garage is now an internal room. Everything's looking nice and clean. We've got the new trim up on the wall, new baseboard tiles. We've got the LED downlights. Everything's looking nice and clean. We've got the wall that separates the garage. So behind this wall here, we've got a small cavity for small storage. So that sits on the back of the roller door for the garage. But all in all, everything's looking nice. The only thing we've got left to do is that trim around the door jamb, and we're going to paint that in vivid white so it matches the baseboards. But all in all, very nice little project. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. This was a quick project that anybody out there can do themselves. Very, very straightforward. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. If there's anything else you guys want to learn how to do in or around your house, put it in the comment section below. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.